So in this Redfin tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to edit the square footage filter here on Redfin. So once Redfin is opened up, I want you to go ahead and type in your location. I'll just use Scottsdale for this example, and then go ahead and press on search. Now, if you're looking for a house or a townhouse or whatever that has a specific square footage minimum or maximum, it's pretty simple. So, what I want you guys to do is first and foremost view your area, then go to the top to where it says filters. Once you're on the filters page right here, I want you to scroll down a little bit here. Just keep scrolling down to where it says property details. Now, where it says property details, you can go ahead and do square feet right here. So if you want to go ahead and set your minimum and your maximum. So for example, if you're looking for a house between 2,000 square feet and 4,000 square feet, that's kind of your range that you're looking for. You can go ahead and do that. And you can go ahead and press on see homes. Now what your search is going to be refining to are those filters that you set in regards to square footage. So very simple, very straightforward. This is how you guys can edit the square footage filter here on Redfin. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.